Welcome to TheCoinrise, a valiant news platform with a laser focus on the world of Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and investing.
Welcome to our ultimate guide on mastering Bitcoin purchases in the UK. In the next minutes, we'll walk you through the entire process, from understanding regulations to choosing the right wallet and platform, so you can confidently embark on your crypto journey. Why invest in Bitcoin in the UK? The increasing interest in Bitcoin in the UK is driven by various factors, including investment potential, diversification of assets, and the growing acceptance of cryptocurrencies across the country. Navigating UK Bitcoin regulations. Before purchasing Bitcoin, familiarize yourself with the regulations governing cryptocurrencies in the UK, such as those enforced by the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, Know Your Customer, KYC, Anti-Money Laundering, AML, requirements, and tax implications of your transactions. Selecting a secure wallet. Choosing a secure wallet for your digital assets is crucial. Options include hardware wallets, software wallets, and web wallets. Assess your needs and prioritize security when selecting a wallet. Top UK-friendly Bitcoin exchanges. The top exchanges for buying Bitcoin in the UK include Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, eToro, and Bitstamp. Each platform caters to different levels of experience and offers unique features, so choose one that suits your needs best. Setting up and verifying your exchange account. To create and verify your account on your chosen exchange, follow these steps. Sign up using your email address and a secure password. Verify your email. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. Complete KYC verification. Implement additional security measures for your account. Methods to buy Bitcoin with GBP. Various methods are available for buying Bitcoin with GBP, including bank transfers, FPS, BACS, CHAPS, credit and debit cards, and PayPal or other e-wallets. Peer-to-peer, P2P, platforms in the UK. P2P platforms, such as Paxful and Bisq, connect buyers and sellers directly, enabling them to trade Bitcoin without an intermediary. Ensuring your Bitcoin is stored safely. Safeguard your digital assets by using a hardware wallet, enabling 2FA on your exchange account and wallet, regularly updating your wallet software, backing up your wallet, and avoiding public Wi-Fi networks when accessing your accounts. Now that you have a thorough understanding of how to buy Bitcoin in the UK, you're well prepared to dive into the world of cryptocurrencies. Prioritize security and choose a reputable exchange to ensure a seamless and safe experience. With proper research and due diligence, you can confidently embark on your Bitcoin journey. That's all for our ultimate guide on mastering Bitcoin purchases in the UK. We hope you found it helpful, and we wish you the best of luck on your cryptocurrency journey. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. And if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. See you in the next video.